Hey Instagram and YouTube, Yasu here with another kind of mini tutorial. A lot of people have been noticing, like when you have to print TPU, you have to kind of bump down your traction settings or you risk jamming up. I mean, it's a reliability thing. Unfortunately, you end up with a mess of terrible stringing. I'm gonna have a close-up here of it's just bad. I mean, it just makes the print look messy, and so I've played around with a couple different ways to remove it. Ideally, you want to take a pair of side cutters like these over here, and you want to snip it as close as possible, but sometimes that doesn't quite get rid of all the hairs. So what I've figured out is you take a blowtorch like this one. Oops. There we go, like this, blowtorch. You can buy these on Amazon for like $7. I'll link below. And you basically go and you just burn it away. And this actually doesn't affect the print. Like you'd think this was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna melt the print. But no, the print stays pretty intact as long as you don't keep the heat on one place, and then you got a problem. But if you kind of just go up and down really quickly, all these fine stringing and hairs that you're getting will go away and vanish. It's pretty awesome. So that's another video tutorial. See you in the next one.